everyone, today we're going to be doing the Boxy Luxe unboxing for December. I just want to get right into this. The product that we have is the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer from One Size Beauty. I used this on my face today and I love it. I think this would be like a really good dupe for the Professional. It has like niacinamide in it and makes it look flawless, and I think it looks pretty good even with my dry skin, so I'm happy with it. I know it's like that's a product at Sephora, so I know it's expensive. The next product we have is a product that is always in a box like every few months. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's a good mascara. It's not my favorite, but it's one that I'll use. Have the Best Dress Lids Neutral and Bold eyeshadow palette. I'm not even sure what brand this is by. It's by Mally Beauty, and it retails for $45. Now the fact that it says bold and neutral, I'm like, it's probably ain't gonna be a palette for me. Like it's just a very natural palette, you know, and I think for the everyday person they would like this. For me, when you say neutral and bold, I'm kind of questioning where the bold shades are, because this is basically just like a neutral palette that I would have gotten use out of when I was like a teenager. So it's not my favorite product, that's for sure. I really wish BoxyCharm would step it up and do bright color palettes sometimes. Like, I think it's been months since I've gotten a palette that actually had any bright colors, and it's frustrating. It's like, I don't need any more neutrals. I would like more brights, please. I am someone who loves bright eyeshadow. This Dew of the Gods, the Weekend Glow Challenge, Saturday and Sunday, 2 lace sponge sheet masks. Alrighty then. This is, I love sheet masks, so I'm definitely gonna get use out of this. I'll probably use one tonight, even though it's Sunday, but whatever, who cares? This, I'm just excited. I love skincare, so we have the Dear Midnight Set to Last setting spray. I've never heard of this brand, but the packaging is cute. Ooh, that packaging's really cute. That's like really adorable packaging. I absolutely love that. I don't need any more setting sprays. I have so many in my collection, but it's always good to have more, I guess. Packaging is stunning. This is a product that I'm super excited for. It's the Herbivore Cloud Jelly Plumping Hydration Serum. Y'all, ooh, it's snowing out. Damn, it's really snowing. This, I've never tried Herbivore, but I love when we get high-end skincare in these boxes. Like, I'm just obsessed. Like, it looks so good. I'm so excited to put this all over my face. Definitely gonna give this a try tonight when I take my makeup off. We have the ABH Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax, which I'm always down for brow products. Other than the fact that sometimes I don't get the right color in these boxes, but this is just like a clear one, so I definitely know I'll get used out of this, so this is always like a good. Another ABH product for the last thing is Off to Costa Rica Face Palette. The packaging of this is stunning, but I don't know like about the shades for me. I don't know if they'll work for my pasty ass skin. Okay, can you please let me have the palette? Thank you. Like, the packaging's gorgeous. It's glittery and fun, just like me. And then you have like a pink blush, a highlighter that's way too dark for me, and then a like brown contour bronzer, I guess. It's cute. Not my favorite because, I mean, these two colors, I definitely don't need this type of pink blush, and I definitely don't need that in my collection, but the bronzer actually looks like maybe it'll work for me if I use a light hand, so we shall see, we shall see. I'll go through the prices of everything. So the Herbivore Jelly Serum retails for $48 US. The ABH Face Palette retails for $58 US. Mally Beauty Eyeshadow Palette retails for $45 US. One Size by Patrick Starr Secure the Blur Makeup Magnetic Primer is $30 US. The ABH Brow Freeze is $23 US. The Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara is $28 US. The Dear Midnight Set to Last setting spray is $30 US. And the Dew of the Gods The Weekend Glow Challenge is $40 US. Now, that, I mean, every box you get your money's worth and so much more, but the fact that this month, I think that they did amazing. I really enjoy this box. I do think, like, obviously there's some places where BoxyCharm can step it up a little bit, you know, making sure that they give people products that'll work for their skin tone and making sure that they don't always include just natural palettes, because for me, I would just love for them to like have some more fun palettes, but that's just my personal opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next video.